Trutex is a schoolwear business. We provide school uniform, bespoke, to both schools and retailers based on school requirements. Quite often articles are badged or they have a unique trim or braid, and we're able to provide that. Priority is a good solution for us, and we chose it because it has a width of functionality that allows us to change process and have that reflected within Priority in quite an easy way. We've used Priority since 2007, and through the years we've been able to change and adapt it to meet our changing business requirement. The support from Editech's been really good. We've been able to develop and change the system, and we've been given good guidance on how we can get the solution we want from within Priority's capability. Priority's allowed us to grow. It's helped us to change the business way of working to meet our customer requirements. We've got customers in different channels, and we're able to cope with those new channels that come on board within the Priority system. We also have the WMS solution, so we've got an integrated operation from really front door to back door, which is really good to have that within one system.